Hey, what's up friends? So today I wanted to show you how you can install one script which you can install onto your server, and you'll be able to manage your clients, people who are using your stuffs, people who are running over onto your server. So this is one installation script, but sometimes I don't recommend to be used, but you find it that if you don't know if you're not an advanced user when it comes to servers, so you need something that can ease your life when you're dealing with the server. So all you need to do one step. The first step is for you to get a server, and you can get it from any website which you want, which can give you a server. But me, I use DigitalOcean and many other providers. So if I told you need a server, you can just inbox me. I can get you one at a discounted price, but you can buy a server of your choice. If you're if you're an Android user, you just follow me, it's the same thing. So you can buy a server, $20, $15, like that, any which fits your desires. But depends on what you're going to use that server. If you're going to use this server for tunneling, for whatever you need long-term standard, I think you use 16 or 18, but I'll recommend 16. Okay, now let's get started. Me, I already got my server here, and I'll need to log into. So with me, I use this client here on the PC, and on the on Android. On Android, I use Juice SSH. You can search it. If you're new to these stuffs, you can use Juice SSH. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, there's Tamias. I use it, it's good. Actually Tamias is better because I use it as well. There's Juice SSH. You can use this. Actually, if you possible, you can use Juice Tamias as well. You can use Juice SSH. Okay, it's here, the main application, it's here. Okay, you can try out and install and each and everything. So let's get started. With me, I'm going to use the Android the PC here over my server. So you just follow the same things, the same procedures are the same. So let's log into the server. Okay, I saved my IP here. Okay, so after doing all this, I destroy this server. So don't waste time following up, and okay, then I enter the IP. Okay, yeah. As well, don't forget that to use these stuffs, you should be the root user. You should be the root user. So I'll enter the password. Okay, now while entering the password isn't visible to you, so don't mind about that. While you're entering the password, well, after logging to your server, this is what you land on. So even if you're an Android user, it is the same thing which you get. Even if you're an Android user, it's the same thing which you get. Let me try to minimize this thing here. Okay, you get this. So let me clear out the screen so that you'll be able to see. You get that. So the first thing you need to do is to update your packages, and you just need to enter this command. Okay, as well, you don't need to enter it, but because most the script, when you check the script, the writer or the author put that command for upgrading. You don't need to care about that, but you just have to know something. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscription button. You will be able to get the best content ever. So all you need to do is to come to SCOT UG and then click subscription, the subscribe button, so you'll be getting the best content from this channel. If you have anything to say, you can leave it in the comment box as well. Even if whatever the case is, I'll be able to reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, we are almost done here, so I click clear. The command is not right. I click clear. Okay, now the other thing you need to do is to just copy the commands I'm going to put in the description of this video. You copy this. Okay. I'll remove this, and then you paste it into your SSH client. Even if you're using SSH, PuTTY, whatever you're using. I use this because of some reasons. So I've entered the command, and the next thing they will ask you is to choose the language which you're going to use. So I'll use English, which is 1. Okay, but after installing this script, it won't be English. I think there is some error there, but it won't be in English, so I'm going to show you how you can change it to English. So we are just waiting for the installation process to be complete, and we'll be good to go. So the process is complete, and the commands which you need to use to go to your server is just adm. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it is loaded but not in English, so we need to change it to English, and the only thing you need to do is to enter 6. Okay, then after 6 you enter 1 by selecting the language which you want, and then you click enter. So the same thing happens with the Android users. However, still you should note that it won't be completely in English. Okay, now you can go on and install you create users, install SSH, SSL, you install drop pair, and so on and so on. So when I check about the command which does that is 8. You can see you can install drop pair, it's inactive. Open VPN is inactive. Shadow Shocks, Shocks Python, Squib, SSL as well. There are many other stuffs. I can enter 0, press enter. There are other stuffs which when you check here, there are other tools which you can use. Okay, you can create a Telegram bot whereby you can manage your server through the boot, and there are many other stuffs, nloads, htop, status. These stuffs you are used to show you what's going on with your server, to manage to monitor your clients, and so on and so on. Download tools and other stuff. So I think I've done this, and the other thing, we can go back. I forgot to show you. I'm going to make another video on each and everything about this stuff. This is not a paid promotion, but I'm just trying to get you guys something that can ease your life when you try to computing. So when you enter 1 to manage users, here you can see create new users, remove users, block, unblock, edit users, and so on. So when I create a user, you can create one. I can enter one like SCOT UG, and I enter the password. I can even use the same if I'm going to put it on public. The duration or the time, I can give the name 3 days, and the limit of connections I can put 400, or if I want to limit it, I can put it to 4. Okay, now you can see that the account is being created, but the client won't be going through. Reason being, when you try to see the applications which you're going to use for tunneling, if I try to check out with injector, but when you try to see SSH accounts, a host, the other one is the IP port, username, password, and now the port here depends. So if you're going to use SSH direct HTTP, you will need a port which we've not yet activated, and many other things. So that's what I'm going to do in the next video. So just subscribe to this channel, press the like button, and share to your friends so that they can also enjoy. I believe you've enjoyed this video. God bless.